Blake, I'm gonna... Tell me what you were saying a minute ago. I know you have the hiccups, but you can tell me the story again, can't you? I know you're a little congested, but tell me the story. See, we're kicking our... Really? This little lamb you like. Nice and soft. Oh. Can you give a big smile? A big smile. What? Does that hand taste good? Yeah. Oh, whoa. You like this, guy? Whoa, that's a big story. Yes, I know. That is a true story. I agree. I agree. You trying to eat Mommy's finger? Ow! Ow! That's silly. Mommy's finger doesn't taste good. You want the little lamb? Let's just have him sit up here. Oh, you want his ear? Yes. Sorry, little lamb. You might get chewed on now.